Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I have two new boxes to share today. Now, this one, Caffeine and Legends, is a new box to the channel. I've joined a book club that is reading like the romance-y books. So I'm back reading that type of genre, and now I'm wanting more. So I thought, let me check out this box. This one is from Fiction Bath Company, and it is a bookish themed self-care subscription. This comes quarterly, this comes monthly. And we're looking at, I think, let me double check here. I believe it's 46 if you sign up for, yes, this box, $46.75 a quarter if you sign up for the subscription. And then the Caffeine and Legends, you got a couple of different options with this. You will see when we get in here, there's more than just a book. So I will go through those different ways you can sign up when we actually get into this box. So I want to start with the Fiction Bath Company. So it's been, I think, at least a year since I got this box. And she's got her subscription, but then there is like a limited number of subscriptions available. So if this is something that is interesting to you, down in the details below, I will put a link so you can go check it out and sign up for the wait list. Because once you become a member, you can pause, you can cancel, and then if you decide a year down the road, you want to get the box again, you don't have to go back on a wait list. If there isn't an opening, you can just reactivate your subscription, which I think is fabulous. So this is their summer pampered box. And that's what this subscription is called. It is the pampered box. It says, transporting you from one fictional world to the next. One pamper session at a time. So we've got a card here on the back. It tells you what the items are. So Midnight Garden, an enchanting summer pamper box. Okay. So there is the theme for their summer box. First item I see right off the bat, excuse me, is we've got a bath bomb. And the items do vary in here. It used to be you always seem to get a candle. I don't know if that's like the case anymore or not. But let's see here. Flower Moon is the scent. And let's see here. It might have rose petals in it. I don't see it, but down at the bottom it mentions rose petals in the ingredients. Let me get it out of the bag. It smells good. I just want to make sure I'm not getting any of the bag smell. So here is the full color. Pretty color. It's really nice. It's kind of light. So yes, there are rose petals in there right there. Not a huge fan of those because they make a mess in the bath, but I guess you could take the plastic off, put this back in here, then the rose petals would stay in here. It smells really good. And I don't like rose scent either, but I like this. Yep, okay. Excited about that one. Let me just sit that right there with the card. All right, next item, we've got lots of these things. And I'm seeing something that I really like, but let me take this first item out. We have got a bookmark. Okay, so there is our bookmark. It is double, so it's kind of double thick. So it's not one piece of paper, it is two pieces of a thinner cardboard put together. I hate to use that word cardboard because it's not cardboard, but it's thicker. So that's our second item. This I'm loving. Is it a journal? Is it a notebook? Look how pretty. I am addicted to notebooks, in addition to subscription boxes, but I got a lot of notebooks. I've got more than I could even use. So this, it is from Peter Popper Press, Fine Gifts since 1928. Gilded Rosettes Journal. So yes, it is raised. Here's what the side looks, the back. This journal's cover reproduces a 19th century gold tooled binding of a volume of poems by Dante Gabriel Rossetti, who wrote "Bless, Love, and Hope, True Soul, for we are here." So this is 160 lined pages. For those of you that are into notebooks, it is 120 GSM. It includes a ribbon bookmark inside, and it's acid-free archival paper, and the binding of the notebook allows it to lay flat, which I love. Flat notebooks. Well, I mean, I guess it lies flat, but it's not completely lie flat that I was expecting, but I really like it. There's the ribbon. Now, something that just kind of pushes us a little bit over the mark here, because you're like, it's a notebook. I like that the pages are kind of creamish like. They're not those, you know, bright white, which really goes along with like the darkness of the theme of the book. Yeah, makes it more archival like as well. So loving the notebook. Okay, now moving on. Got a couple more items in here. Here's the next one. I could probably guess what it already is. Let's see here. It's a candle. Lantern Light, handcrafted soy candle. And I will say, sometimes she has extras of what's in the boxes, like the scents and things. When she does, those things sell like that. Like, they have got a huge following of their bookish themed pamper bath candle items. So, ooh, look at that. It's kind of got some glitter there. And it is a wood wick. I am not good with wood wicks. I've never been able to really make it so that I can use the whole thing. But I still like the look of it. Oh, I like this as well. It's kind of perfumey like. Yeah, I really like that. Now, one thing I wish that we had here was like the scent profile on it. That I would have, you know, really liked, but I like the scent nonetheless. One more item in this. There we go. Let's see, is it a room spray? Oh no. No, well, I don't know. Here we go. Is it a roller ball of the scent? It is a roller ball. Oh, okay. And it is moon. Oh, wait, no, this was flower moon. Is that right? Yeah, so this one was flower moon. This one is moon flower. It says night blooms and fresh pear. Handcrafted, it is 10 mils. So let me show you that. If you look in there, there are some actual flowers in there. So now, let's try the scent. Rollerball. Oh, wow. Okay. Totally different. Like these, I think a little bit more on the mild side. This is not. I'm trying to think. It's florally, but still has like a unique scent to it. I like it. And I will say that I've never gotten one of their boxes that I've liked every single thing in it. Completely transparent here. But there's still fun boxes to get, and that's why I get them. But I love every single thing in this summer box. So very exciting. Caffeine and Legends. As the title says, you always get a caffeinated beverage in your box. So what you would get every month is a fantasy book that they choose. You also get a beverage that you can pick from coffee, tea, or drinking chocolate that is from a small batch maker. You can also pick a subscription option that you could get 2 or all 3 of those as well. Then you get a special bonus item in here, along with a pamphlet of information and a recipe. And then they also do let you know what the theme is for the month. Now, I will say, since the timing that I subscribed, I don't know for certain if you get like an advance notice so that if you don't like the theme, you can skip or not. I'm not 100% sure on that. But I do know that this theme is Shadow Battle. And these boxes are shipping August 1st, August 9th, and we're already past August 9th. And that's why I've got my box. So let's open and see what we got in here. Okay, so right here is Shadow Battle. And I am going to put it aside right now because I don't want to ruin anything. But one thing right off the bat is surprising me. I was expecting like a single serve of coffee. No, we got a bag of coffee. And I don't know if I was able to select if I wanted beans or ground. I don't think I was. But I definitely was not expecting a whole bag. So this is Go Get 'em Tiger Espresso Blend, Minor Moments, Peru plus Honduras, I'm assuming is where the beans come from, Brown Sugar Plum Dark Chocolate. And this is 10.5 ounces. Huh. I like that. Seriously, I was expecting that we get a single drink. But it makes sense now that we would get more than just a single drink. Okay, the next item. Okay, this must have to go along with the theme of the book because we got wooden chopsticks. Yeah, we're just going to have to trust the process here. But yeah, natural chopsticks. And then I also see in here a fortune cookie. And then we have the book. Okay, and this is why I'm hoping the theme makes, the chopsticks make sense. So here's our book. It is a very colorful cover. So here's the book, very colorful cover. It's by Eliza Chan, Harbor of Hungry Ghosts. Okay, and what is this about? It says the Ah family, or the family, serve the people of Hong Kong. Makes sense why we're getting chopsticks. Blessing shrines, honoring the dead, and dealing with dangerous monster incursions. The expectations on eldest daughter Kim Ling are high, which is not something her strict grandmother will let her forget. When the British disrupt the Hungry Ghosts Festival. So this has to be, what was like the 1940s 30s maybe, when the British disrupt the Hungry Ghost Festival and her grandmother is seized by a strange new monster, Kam Ling must step up and lead the search. She is aided by unexpected allies, Archie, who is an earnest civil servant, Hoi Gor, childhood sweetheart turned merchant pirate, and Jingling, her younger sister, who is keeping secrets of her own. Kam Ling must figure out who is behind the incursion, and more importantly, how to defeat them. With British fables mingling local Chinese monsters, can Kam Ling prove herself when the old rules no longer seem to apply? A family of demon hunters find their hands full when monsters start stalking the streets of Opium War era Hong Kong in this heart-stopping fantasy from international best-selling author Eliza Chan. Okay, so one, I'm interested in all that, but two, we got a sticker. I love stickers. So yeah, okay. So I am in the middle right now of reading a book, and then I have an Audible that I'm listening to as well. So this will be up next. There you have it. So, okay, guys, pricing. Got to do pricing on this one. Okay, so for our pricing, and it makes sense now, their pricing. So if you just want standard, which is what I got. So I picked a beverage, I got some little extras, and I got the book. It is $39.99 plus shipping and handling. And it says 1 full-size drink each month. So that's why I thought a single serving. Now, you can choose 2 drinks each month, which are 2 full-service drinks. That is $57.99 plus shipping and handling. Again, makes sense, the price difference. Or you can get the full experience, where you get 3 full-size drinks each month: coffee, tea, and drinking chocolate. So while, and you get a free drink scoop with that one. Now, I picked coffee. On that standard, you can pick like the surprise me, so that you don't know what you're getting. So I might change mine to the surprise me. So there you have it. My first Caffeine and Legends monthly subscription. Super happy with it. And my Fiction Bath summer quarterly box. So, all right, guys, wrapping up another unboxing. So thank you for tuning in and watching. Let me know down in the comments what your thoughts about this. And if you're not a subscriber, would love for you to have us, become a subscriber. It is Advent calendar buying right now. And I think I have already bought 10 or 11, maybe even 12. I've lost track. Advent calendars. And one, I did it. I finally did it. I bought the Harrods. Yep, the not the perfume and not the body, the big Harrods. So stick around, and my unboxings will start December 1st. So, okay, guys, take care. Bye, everyone.